and he started raising funds, and that's what I spend my time doing. You will see it in a little while. And as I tell you, Haiti has been hit by 4 hurricanes, and by Faye, Gustav, Anna, and Ike. And what I'm asking you to do, please do so. And you got to donate to the hurricane victims, to help the people in Texas. That's what you do. People in Texas, American Red Cross of Central Texas, 512-928-4271. Again, the website is on the screen. It's centex.redcross.org, www.centex.redcross.org. It's on the screen. And for the people of the other area, for Haiti, for Cuba, Dominican Republic, Turks and Caicos Islands, you can help them by calling the Catholic Charities. Those are credible organizations I'm giving you. 305-757-2444. The website is on the screen, ccadm, as in Mary.org. www.ccadm.org. Again, you can send that your check, if you don't have access to internet, to Catholic Charities Storm Aid dash Haiti, if you you want to send it straight for Haiti, dash Dominican Republic, if you want to send it to the Dominican Republic, dash Turks and Caicos Island, if you want to send to those folks directly, or dash Cuba, Storm Aid dash if you want to send it to Cuba. Again, that's Catholic Charities, and the address is on the screen, 9401 Biscayne Boulevard, Miami Shores, Florida 33128. The telephone number again is 305-754-2444. Please help those folks, and I'll be right back. Stay with us, call a friend, a family member. Don't go away. We'll be right back. Stay with us.
There comes a time when we heed a certain